Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's special guest, we got Miss Renee here. She is listening in on today's YouTube video. Today we're just going to go over, I'm almost at 1,000 miles on my street light here. I'm at 957. I live about 30 miles away from the closest Harley Davidson dealership, so next date update from there is the price on the 1,000 mile oil change and whatever they do. There's a bunch of other things you gotta do.
We'll do a breakdown on that for you guys.
But so overall, I would have to say the 1,000 miles, the bike has broke in a little bit. Changing gears is a whole lot smoother than it was in the beginning. The ride has definitely softened up. It has become more comfortable. Now I do have the backrest for it, which is in the cover side bag here. I also took off the little wind protectors on the front.
These little handy dandy things.
Overall, pretty great experience. I haven't done any modifications to it minus the true spike antenna there, because that big long one was just too much in my opinion. She's been sitting in the shop for a week or two. Well, it's been about a week since I rode it last. She's kind of dirty, obviously. I did have a problem, I don't know, probably about 150 miles ago. The battery died and I couldn't jump it off. It just wouldn't jump. I ended up buying a maintainer right here. This is the maintainer. Obviously it's not plugged up because I just cleaned up the shop, but I will plug it up here probably tonight, matter of fact. But the battery died. Harley Davidson did have to come get it, put another battery in it. Obviously it was still on warranty, so they just gave it to me free of charge. Overall, like I said, it's been a pretty great bike. Haven't had any problems with it other than the bad battery at the one time. I'm thinking I'm getting like 45 miles to the gallon on it, and that's, I'm not saying I'm easy on it either. I'm not saying I'm going crazy, but obviously you gotta
So you could give or take a little bit on the gas mileage.
Pretty good so far. I'll give you guys the next update and the breakdown after the 1,000 mile change there. If you have any questions or like, leave a comment below.
All right, go ahead.
I don't have. If you have any questions or any comments about the bike, let me know in the comments down below. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Y'all have a great day, and y'all hustle hard.